welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do the first makeup tutorial for this coming holidays, for Christmas, for New Year's Eve, or maybe for any party that you guys want. But this is special for Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve. So before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. The first thing I'll be using is the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio, and I just noticed that I'm starting to have a lot of pimples. I didn't have this many this morning. Like yesterday I had this ones over here on the forehead, but today I feel like I just exploded of pimples. I have one here that is coming out. I have here, have one over here that is coming out very big, and I don't know what is it. I don't know what, because it's not something out of ordinary. I'm thinking okay, let's move on. So I'm gonna start covering my dark circles with the orange concealer from LA Girl. You guys know that I never miss this step. Wait, this is it. Yeah, you guys know that I never miss this step, especially like for a full coverage makeup look. That's what we're gonna be doing today. After that, I'll be using the Maybelline Brightening Creamy Concealer to cover all these pimples that are coming. Like, you know, like sometimes you have like an event or you have something special and the pimple always comes out when it's not supposed to come out. Like, I feel like your skin feels all the stress and then it's like explodes. Doesn't it happen to you guys? Like, it happens to me a lot of times. So because it's gonna be a full coverage glam makeup, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal True Match eye cream in a concealer, and this is in the shade C12. Under eyes will have more coverage, but because this eye cream and a concealer is very soft on the skin, it's not gonna look that heavy underneath the eyes. So like I said, because it's gonna be like a full glam makeup look, I'm gonna be using not a full coverage foundation, but this is very similar as a full coverage foundation. Actually, like, I feel like just because it's called a CC cream, I would call this like an actual full coverage foundation. So this is the e.l.f. Camo CC cream. I'm going to apply this light 200 oil all over my face and start blending the CC cream. And this is in the shade light 240W. I feel like just with 1.5 pump, it's enough for me. But I mean, if you want to add more, you can add more. So the concealer, you guys know that I always use my favorite one. It's also from e.l.f. Using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. And this one, I will be applying it right here on the inner corner of the eyes. This is in the shade Light Sand. And then I'm going to go with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. And this is in the shade Light Warmth. No, wait, Fair Warmth. And remember, try to apply your concealer going upwards, making this kind of like a face lift, which is with makeup. We did a video on that. I'm sure you guys have seen it all over social media, but especially for this makeup, we want to try to not have any mistakes on the makeup, because like I said, we'll be around a lot of people during these holidays. So we want to have, like, of course, a perfect makeup and just try to go upwards. After that, I'm gonna go with contour. So you guys know I always use the Parquet Princess from Tarte, just because I haven't found a one that I really want. Like, it really grabs my attention. But so remember, the contour, also try to go upwards, but not all the way here, just here and up. Okay, so we have this face lift. So like the hoops bothers me. Just I didn't want it to was not the plan to use these earrings, but I didn't find the other ones that I wanted, and I have no idea where I put them. And especially, and I want them for Christmas and I don't know where they are. So now just start contouring. If you want, you can contour upwards, not go downwards, because then the face is gonna look awkward. So go up, or you can like do like a circular motion and going up. Okay, try to go really close to your hairline so the makeup makes sense and doesn't look awkward. After that, I'll be using the blush stick from ColourPop. This is called Picnic Time. Just a little bit on the cheeks. This is from their Limoncello collection that I think we did it on July. I don't remember it. I feel like it's been months ago. So remember, try to also make the blush go upwards to follow the contour and the concealer going upwards. So I'm going to use the Milani blush. This is the color Romantic Rose. And just a little bit. And remember, going upwards. Have to go with the highlight palette. So of course, with my favorite highlight palette is from R.E.M Beauty. This is in the color Miss Mercury, and if you guys didn't watch the video where we tried for the first time the makeup line from Ariana Grande, I'll leave the link down below, because this is my favorite highlighter. Stop talking and just apply it on the tip of my nose, a little bit on the bridge, right here, the chin, and here. Look at this. This is so beautiful. It's so soft on the skin, but at the same time you have that glow. So I like to bring it a little bit here and here. Like the first palette I'm gonna use is from ColourPop and Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. We also did a video on this, so I'll leave the link down below. But I was like, what could be the first makeup look for these holidays for 2021? And I was like, I can't miss this year this beautiful green that I have on my nails. I'm gonna use the color Christmassy Tree. Okay, so I'm gonna make a line like that, just to know where I'm going to stop, and I'm going to do the same thing on the side. And with another brush, I'm gonna start, oh wait, I forgot to do the transition color. Okay, so for the transition color, oh my god, I can't believe I'm going to use Becky G's palette, Tres Luces Beauty palette. It's called the R.E.M palette. Transition, I'm going to use the color Bella. And sorry, I know the palette is dirty, but it's because you guys know that I love this palette and I've been using it like crazy. So I'm gonna use this color as a transition color. I'm not gonna go really all the way in because I want the eye to look open. Now I can move on and use Christmassy Time and start applying the color. I'm gonna blend the color with this brush because it doesn't work. I tried, and no, this is like a very simple makeup, not too much work. It's just to blend Christmassy Time. And I'm gonna start adding more and more on this side. With another brush, I'm gonna start blending, especially on the crease. So this is just gonna be blend, blend, blend. After that, I'm gonna go with the Tres Luces palette, and I'm gonna go with the color Hustle, a flat brush, and start going in. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So now I'm gonna use the color Fuerte, which is this black eyeshadow, and I'm going to make this black line. Add this eyeshadow on the top. Remember, when you do this with a black eyeshadow, the makeup looks softer. If you want to add a little bit of black, like to do a cat eye or doing something like this, go with the Voluminous Million Lashes Excess from L'Oreal. And you guys know that I love the e.l.f. Mascara, but you know what, I want to switch it up because I'm getting tired of the other one. And you guys know, like, when the first time I tried the e.l.f. mascara, while we wait for the lashes to dry, I'm gonna go again with the ColourPop palette and use again Christmassy Time. And I'm gonna add this color underneath the eyes just to finish the makeup look. But of course, we're gonna add something sparkly on the inner corner of the eyes because, I mean, it's a glam makeup look. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Oh my god, I feel like I'm touching my eyes, and like I feel like they're making my eyes red. Now to make the eye more dramatic, but at the same time make it soft, I'm gonna use a black eyeliner. I bought this today at Walgreens. It's the first time I use it. It's the Wet n Wild Baby's Gold Black. Apply this on the waterline. You guys can see the difference with the black eyeliner and without. You feel like the makeup looks more dramatic, but it's at the same time very soft. So put these falsies from Ardell. These are the double wispies. And while we wait for the lashes to dry, I'm going to use the Air Volume Mega Mascara from L'Oreal. And this is for the lower lashes. The inner corner, I'm going to use the color Divina on my brow bone. On the inner corner, just to have this pop of glow. Now we're done with the eyes, so now I'm gonna go with the lips. I'm gonna use two of my favorites product for the lips, but I'm gonna go first with this lip liner from ColourPop. This is from the Rudolph and the Red-Nosed Reindeer collection, and this is in the color, it doesn't say. This one is called, I think, You're Cute. I'm gonna use my favorite one, which is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the color Abu Dhabi. And voila, this is the final makeup look. This is the first makeup look for these holidays of 2021. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did and you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video. Also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or Facebook. You can follow me as Celin is her. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.